So you're thinking of taking the family to Cascais. We stayed there for 3 weeks. Let me show you some of our favorite things to do. First up is the farmers market, or Mercado de Vila. During our stay, visiting the market became a part of our routine. We'd go there to pick up ingredients for our meals and to enjoy some of the local charm. The market is open every Wednesday and Saturday. Local vendors gather to sell their fruits, vegetables, cheeses, flowers, and a whole lot more. It's a very popular spot for families and for tourists and expats, and especially the locals. If you are planning on making a purchase, don't forget to bring your cash. We found that many of the vendors only spoke Portuguese. However, it never ended up being an issue. Everyone is very friendly, especially if you have children in tow. There is also a seafood section where you can choose from a selection of super fresh fish and have them cleaned and ready for you to cook at home. Just outside the covered market is a large open area with seating and food stalls. Here, you can grab a coffee and some food and do some people watching as you rest from all your shopping. Tucked just behind the market, you'll find the start of the Vineyard Trail. This is a fantastic walking trail that winds 7 kilometers north and connects the city center with the mountains of Sintra. The trail is flat and well maintained. Private properties and small farms line the sides of the trail, and if you're lucky, you'll meet some of the sheep being herded along. It is important to note that there are no restrooms or water stations along the path. You'll have to use the public facilities located at the market. Keep those comfy shoes on as you walk the town. Cascais is a very walkable town. We were able to access everything we needed on foot. The only time we took transportation was to visit Lisbon, which is a 40-minute train ride, and Sintra, a 20-minute drive. Many streets are for pedestrians only, which makes it great if you have little ones that like to explore. We did find that the city center is not the best for a smooth stroller ride, but it is definitely more stroller friendly than Lisbon. In the very center of town, there is a small park and a square where people gather to enjoy live music, tasty treats, and of course, the carousel. If your child is anything like ours, you'll be spending a lot of time at the carousel. Here's a pro tip for you. You can buy tickets in bulk at a much lower cost than you would individually. When you're ready for some relaxation, one of the main draws of the area are the beautiful beaches. Connecting the beaches is a paved boardwalk that extends 3 kilometers. You'll find gorgeous views and a variety of places to eat along the way. When we visited in late March, it was a bit chilly and before the busy season. However, I've heard that in the hot summer months, the beaches are jam-packed. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of this park. We just called it the Chicken Park. This is a beautiful public park located a 10-minute walk from the town center. Here, you'll find a variety of shaded walkways that snake through the park, and you'll be able to interact with wild chickens, ducks, and if you're lucky, one of the few peacocks. Our favorite spot in the park were the play areas. There was one dedicated for toddlers and another for older kids. If you're looking to burn some energy, this is definitely the place to go. It was great to see that some of the local daycares and schools were also making use of the park. There are clean public bathrooms available, along with a small cafe. My final suggestion when you're in Cascais is to check out the wide variety of food options. I'll share with you some of our favorites and leave links to their websites in the description box. This cafe is also a live radio broadcasting station located right beside the ocean in a beautiful, quiet part of town There is a large patio area where you can enjoy some of the great coffee and baked goods. There is also a museum and an art gallery next door. If you're looking for some classic Portuguese barbecue, this is definitely the spot to check out. Perfect for a casual dine-in or a takeaway meal, they offer humble food, good prices, and very tasty chicken. This cool looking restaurant is in the heart of town and offers a vegetarian only menu with a wide range of flavors for you to choose from. We especially enjoyed the fresh baked goods and fresh juices. Finally, if you're looking for some fresh seafood, head back to the farmers market area where you'll find this casual restaurant. You can pick and choose your own seafood and they'll cook it right there for you. I hope you found this video useful. Cascais is a beautiful town and we had a great time there. If you liked the video, like the video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. We'll see you next time.